Are you ready? I'm right. I'm a little bit ahead of you, so I'm a...
Yeah, I can see that.
Takeoff flaps.
So I'm gonna sneak ahead and I'm gonna go right now.
Flaps up. Flight pack 21.6 volts.
You gonna fly like idiots again or what?
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay. This is a heavy duty pack, so I might poof it. Okay, me too. That's really close. I feel the wind. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Go. Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay. I'll go with you.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
I'm going up with you.
1.2 volts. Flight pack 21.0 volts. Flight pack 21.0.
What the hell?
Dude,
Super bright.
afterburners look amazing.
22.6 volts.
Yeah.
Why's your voltage dropping so low?
This is not the 6500.
Okay. Beautiful sun over there.
Dude, yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It's the best time to fly right now. Oh, look at that. Okay, high speed pass right now, dropping. Okay, go ahead. I know I can, I'll do it. It's probably pushing it for me.
30 seconds.
I'm gonna come back, downwind.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I'm coming in because my battery was not happy.
10,
Look at that sunset over there.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna go to the other side, right? No, I don't use it on this one.
Time expired.
Alright guys, spend fun. I'm gonna take off.
See you, Max. It's our no, our wheels get flat spotted. Yeah, they get flat spotted.
What do you got going on in here?
That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'll do a little video of it.
Hold on, I gotta.
I don't know if you can fit over there. Yeah, you can. Here, hold on. I'll move over. Let me move over to here.
Flight pack 22.5.
There. That's good. It's not gonna hurt if you're there. I don't care.
Alright, I'm gonna push that thing right up in the gear.
Oh, my battery's dead. My battery's dead. Getting all happy. Oh, it's gone. It's totally gone.
I
Yeah.
have 2 LEDs. I 3D printed some things.
Oh, yours are two?
And it's 2, 1 on each side.
It didn't affect your thrust at all. Here, wait. Do it again, Frank.
That's the same thing.